What's up, beer geeks? It's finally ready. I'm so stoked to announce that the Beer Scholar online course for the Certified Cicerone exam is now available. I'm Chris. I'm an advanced Cicerone and a national BJCP judge, and I'm the creator of Beer Scholar. I've been training people to crush the Certified Cicerone exam since 2014. I'm going to tell you all about the course here, and I hope you'll stick around to the end of the video for a discount on the new course that will end at the end of the month, sort of a Black Friday holiday kind of deal. First thing I want to say is that Beer Scholar works. The Certified Cicerone exam has a lower pass rate than the California State Bar exam for lawyers. It's like mind-blowing. I cannot believe that. But I have been helping people pass that exam since 2014. And to this day, there are only about 4,400 certified Cicerones in the world, and thousands of them used my Beer Scholar material to pass. I am not kidding about that at all. You can ask just about anyone you know who has passed the Certified Cicerone exam if they used Chris's Beer Scholar study guides and study material, and you are almost always going to get a yes. So, who is this course for? It's for anyone who serves or sells beer. You know, passing the Certified Cicerone exam, learning everything you need to know to pass it, it expands your skills and your job opportunities. So if you want a beer career, passing the Certified Cicerone exam will increase your chances of getting a great job. If you're already in the industry, it means more opportunity, promotions, raises, new career options. My gut feeling is that if you are dedicated to a career in beer, if you're passionate about this, you need to have this on your resume because other folks who are applying for the jobs that you want, they will have it on theirs. So if you love beer, if you want to know everything about tasting beer, serving beer properly, all the different beer styles, you want to know about food pairing, among many other things, then this course is for you, and I will help you crush this exam. So what is in the new course? Upon release, the Beer Scholar Online course for the Certified Cicerone exam consists of 167 video lessons that track the syllabus in order, each with a short quiz after the lesson to help reinforce what you just learned. At the end of the course, you get 4 full new practice exams to help you dial it all in. And the course contains all kinds of tips and tricks for beating the written and tasting portions of the exam, right? It's not just the knowledge you need, it's also how to beat the exam. So I can give you all that guidance. And I can also give you tons of guidance on how to practice tasting, how to learn tasting. No one is born good at tasting. It is a learned skill, like learning the piano. We can all poke at the keys. Just because you eat and drink doesn't mean you're either good or bad at tasting. It's a learned skill. And with my course, you are going to ramp those skills up very quickly. The course also contains lots of links to online material and suggested readings for folks who want to go deeper, even though the course itself is really all you need. This is super cool. I now have coverage for all of the English language syllabi, USA, Canada, UK, and international. So if there's something that's like UK only, there's a special lesson for you that is labeled UK only. So I got you all covered. This course is fully up to date to the latest syllabus and BJCP Style Guidelines. And for folks who pay attention to this, you know that there have been some pretty big updates and changes to the syllabus and the BJCP Style Guidelines over the last few years. And I mention this very specifically because I know that my older study guides are kind of all over the place. They're very out of date at this point. I've been working on this course for a while, not updating that. That is very out of date. This course is fully up to date and contains everything you need to know. Literally every single thing you need to know in the course. You will crush the exam. So why go with Beer Scholar, right? Speed, for one reason. Folks with industry or homebrewing experience can ramp up using my course for the written exam in as little as a month. And I know that that is true because I know people who have done it. It takes a lot of dedicated preparation to pull it off that quickly, but it's doable. And if you follow my advice for learning to taste, you can ramp up for the tasting exam in just a couple months as well. So, the program itself, they say prepping for the Certified Cicerone exam takes 6 months to 2 years. And I mean, that's a really long time, and it sounds scary and crazy. you will do it so much faster if you do it with Beer Scholar. You know, it all comes down to how quickly can you put the hours in. You know, if you're super dedicated and hardcore, you can do it in a month. Maybe it'll take you 3. But one thing is for sure, it will not take you 6 months to 2 years. The other thing that is a great reason to go with Beer Scholar is just ease. You know, all the info that you need at the correct depth of knowledge in a well-organized format with nothing unnecessary. That's what is in my course. So there's no chance that you're going to waste time studying the wrong stuff. You're not going to miss anything. I've got all kinds of examples of A+ essay answers, so you're going to get great at crushing the essays. And I've got tips and tricks for how to approach each of the 3 individual tasting exam panels as well. Got all kinds of lessons about that. So what is coming for this course in the future? I'm working on video discussions and tastings for each of the 70 beer styles, side-by-side comparisons to help you with the style discrimination panel. You know, all that info is, of course, available in the BJCP study guide, so very much accessible in any case. I've got new flashcard app coming. I'm going to start including live group Q&As and tastings with me on a weekly basis. I'm going to start doing live pre-exam cram sessions with me. A post-exam resume workshop, because you are going to crush this exam. And believe it or not, I used to be a corporate attorney, you know, wearing a tie and a suit and all that. So I can definitely help you at the end of this process get your LinkedIn and your resume all looking profesh. So there's much more on the way with this course. And the reason I mention that is that I'm releasing the course at a certain price now. And once I build out all the rest of this stuff, it's going to be much more expensive. So this is kind of your chance to like get the core product at this lower price. And you can enroll in the course right now if you want to prep for and crush the Certified Cicerone exam. The course is available for $300. You get 9 months of access, which is way more than you're going to need, but I know things happen. Some people are busier than others. There will be some very reasonably priced option to extend at the end of that time if by chance you need it. And so, like I said, I promised a discount. I've got a discount that is a sort of Black Friday holiday thing. It'll be good through November. But before I give it to you, I have a question for you. And that is, you know, what do you want to learn about beer and how can I help you? And to that end, I have created a very quick little 3-question survey. And I would love to hear from you, you know, regardless of whether you're interested in this course or not. The link to that survey is in the video description. And if you do the survey, then I will send you a $50 discount for the new Beer Scholar online course for the Certified Cicerone exam. Thanks so much for watching. Go out tonight, have a great beer. Cheers, y'all.